lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janine, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Oh my gosh, let me close the window. So in one of my last few videos I was talking about that I need to find a conditioner that works for my hair. Anyway, I got lots of feedback from you lovely people, thank you so much, saying that I should use avocado, banana and honey. Those are the main three things that people kept saying that I should try. So that's what I'm going to do today, guys. My hair is freshly washed and I am ready to go. Side note, woo, it was my birthday 2 days ago. I am now 28. Happy birthday to me. I will be celebrating it properly on Sunday. I'll probably do a video, I'm not sure yet. Let me know if you want me to do a video. Oops, sorry, this platter's getting in the way. You're gonna have to move, baby. Actually, it looks quite nice for the scene. Let's put it back. So, yeah, I'll be celebrating it on Sunday. I'll be doing like a Bear Grylls kind of assault course and then going to JRC buffet. Anyway, let's start this video, guys. So these are my ingredients. I've got my avocado pear, my banana, honey, olive oil, and my NutriBullet to blend everything up. You know when avocado is just right, perfect to eat, when you know it's gonna taste nice and creamy. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hurting my soul a little bit. But you know what, it's for a good cause, yeah? For a good cause, so let's do this. So that is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy, so I'm going to put that in my hair now. As usual, I always work in 6 sections, so I'm going to start from the front just so you guys can see. My hair is already detangled. That's it all in my hair. I'm going to put a bag on my head and then sit underneath the steamer for a while. So I really love using the steamer when I'm conditioning my hair. It really helps the conditioner to penetrate the hair shaft and really do its job. When I don't use some kind of heat or wrap it, then I find the conditioner just sits on my hair, so steamer works good for me. Alright, so steamer's done. Just got my head up in a towel and I'm just going to go about my business. So honestly, when I first put it in, I thought, you know, it's not going to work, but oh my days, it feels so good. It feels so soft. I think I will be doing this again. I'm gonna wash it out my hair. So we did the exact same process on my mom's hair, and she also loved how it felt and how it turned out. I would love to do a video showing how all my family care for their natural hair, but that will take some convincing, so maybe in the future sometime. Anyway, that is the end of my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like and comment. And if you're in your natural hair journey, guys, wish you all the best and stick at it because it's worth it in the end. Take care and see you in my next video, guys. Peace.